हेलो, हाउ आर यू ऑल? वेलकम टू माय चैनल वॉइला वॉइस ऑफ ईला आनंद आचार्य। चल रहा है 31 डेज का अफर्मेशन बेस्ड चैलेंज और जिसमें मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ कॉम्बो टेक्निक। और आज है 23rd। हाँ, आज है 23rd अगस्त और आज मैं अफर्म करने वाली हूँ फॉर माई हस्बैंड एंड फॉर मी, फॉर आवर रिलेशनशिप। और आपको पता है, अगर आप कॉम्बो टेक्निक सुन रहे हैं इतने दिन से, तो मैं आर्ट ऑफ अलाविंग, पावर ऑफ नाउ और ग्रैटिट्यूड का यूज़ करती हूँ। और तीन लैंग्वेजेस मैं शेयर करती हूँ। कभी कभी गुजराती में, कभी मतलब गुजराती में सिर्फ इंट्रोडक्शन होता है, बाकी बेसिक मेरा हिंदी और इंग्लिश में होता है। सो आई एम अलाविंग माई हस्बैंड टू लव मी in all the possible way, to surprise me, to give gifts to me, to pamper me, to understand me, and to communicate with me, to share his views, to listen to my views, and to love me overall. Now, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I am allowing my husband to love me, to surprise me, to pamper me, to give me gifts, to understand me, to communicate with me, to to listen to me, and together we can take important decisions for the betterment of our growth, our future, our entire life, for our kid, for our son. Now, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I am allowing my husband to love me, to appreciate me, to listen to me, to understand me, to communicate with me in a proper way, so that we can, listen to each other, to surprise me, to give me all the gifts, and uh, to pamper me, and to understand me, to take the proper decisions. Now, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So, although this is a big affirmation, but I would love to allow this in my life, as he is always understanding, he is always listening to me, we both are proper, we both do proper communication, we both always take decisions by both our agreement, and I want to continue with that. So I am blessed that he is already having this ability of communicating with me, listening to me. Sometimes it happens that he love me so much that he doesn't share his views, but I really want him to share his views, so that I also understand what is his requirement, what is his dreams and aims, and what are his life manifestations, what she want to manifest. So that is why I'm almost in the a stage where I can rate my relationship 9 on 10. But sometimes it happens that he will not be able to convey his message to me. So for that, I really want the universe, for higher intelligence, to help me in allowing my husband to do all this, surprises, gifts, loving, caring, passionate, and understanding, communicating. So this is how you can affirm, and you can do it in the now, as ending now by the affirmation. Thank you.